Hello guys, welcome to Bearbull. Guys, in this video, we'll be talking about the fundamental difference between a liability and a debt. Many students often ask me as to what is the difference between the two. I mean, they understand that liability is also something which you have to give to somebody, and debt is also which you have to pay back to somebody. But what is the essential difference between the two? Are they used interchangeably, or is there some subtle difference between them? So yes, there is a difference between them. But first of all, let's understand the similarities. Well, liabilities and debts both are some future economic payments. That is, you have to pay a certain amount to somebody in the future as a result of some past event. For example, if you took a loan, okay, and you took a loan of $100,000 and you have to pay it in the future, okay. So as a result of an event in the past, that is, you took a loan, you have to pay back the debt in the future. Similar is the case with liability. Remember that liability is a broader term and debt is a narrow term. So liability includes, among other things, also debt. So liability can be, first understand what debt is. Debt is anything which you have borrowed from somebody and which you have to pay back along with the interest payment. So payment of interest is a must thing in a debt, whereas in any other liability, interest could be or it could not be. If that liability is of debt, that is, if the liability falls in the category of debt, then you have to pay back the interest. But let's suppose that if you bought goods on credit from your supplier and you have to pay back the supplier $5,000, so that is a liability, but that's not debt, because in debt you always pay back the amount with the interest. So you pay your supplier 5,000 in the future, so that is also one of your obligations, okay. You have to pay him back. Similarly, at the end of the financial year, if you computed that your income tax payable to the tax authorities it's $10,000, so that is also a liability, because you have to pay it to the tax authorities. It's payable, it's an obligation on your part and you have to settle it by paying it. But that's not debt, remember. Debt is something which you take from the banks or from other institutional investors, and the money which you have to pay back along with the interest, okay. So remember that liabilities encompass all of one's financial obligations. So if you have something to pay back to somebody, then that's liability, okay. But debt is only those obligations associated with outstanding loans, okay. So remember, both liabilities, including debt as well as other liabilities, that is, for example, payment to payables to creditors or income tax payable, they are reported in the balance sheet. Now, whether they get reported in the current liabilities part or the long-term liabilities part, it depends on when you will have to pay the financial obligations or when you have to settle the obligations. If you have to pay them within 1 year, okay, from the date of preparation of financial statements, then that will be reported under the heading of current liabilities. For example, tax payments, you have to pay the tax to IRS or any other taxation authority within the next 12 months, then that would come under the heading of current liabilities. Whereas if you have a debt which needs to be paid after 10 years, then that will come under the heading of long-term liabilities. So I hope this video made your concepts clear as to what is the difference between the two and what are the similarities between the two. Remember, both are obligations, okay. Both are financial obligations, which means that you have to pay money to somebody in the future. But with debt, you have to pay back along with the interest. Whereas with liabilities, it could be a debt, but it could also be other liabilities. For example, you have to pay the money back to the suppliers from which you bought goods on credit, or you have to pay liabilities to the taxation authority. So that's the difference between the two. I hope this video clarified your concepts, and if you do like the video, then do give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.